Hello, what is up guys? I'm from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, magre-review tayo ng mga nangyari this July. So, I've been making this claim that I'm uploading every single day, but that's not true. Kasi so far, I've uploaded around 20 videos. Buong July, diba? 31 days ang July. And there's still 2 videos in the works, including this one. So in total, nasa 22 videos yung na-upload natin this month. And I think that is the most that I've uploaded in a single month since I've started the channel. So I think, props na rin para sa effort this July. The next one, portfolio moves. This month, I sold some of my Bitcoin and Ethereum positions, which is not looking very good looking back at it. So, hindsight 2020 talaga. I was anticipating a dump by the end of July, and boy, was I wrong. Maganda yung reaction ng market after the 75 BPS increase sa interest rates ng United States and yung contraction na negative 0.9% sa GDP ng US economy. And the US Fed and the government doesn't want to declare or announce this second consecutive negative GDP posting as a recession. I'm not sure why, but I think they're just trying to control the situation. Although I believe na yung US was already in a recession for the first half of 2020. And we'll see how this progresses and how this goes in the next coming weeks and months. And we will closely monitor this. And currently, sa crypto ko, I'm holding some BUSD. Yun yung stable coin ng Binance. And then I still have some Bitcoin sa portfolio ko. I have a small amount of AXS, yung sa Axie Infinity Shard, and some Algorand. And yun na yung summary ng aking crypto portfolio. Then punta naman tayo sa mga local stocks. Recently, I just bought some LTG or LT Group, Lushutan Group stocks at around 8.33 pesos per share. And then the past couple of days, I tried buying some Globe stocks. I prefer na around 2,000 pesos or below 2,000 pesos siya mabili. And unfortunately, hindi na-fill yung order ko today. But kaninang umaga kasi around 9:44, nag-low siya ng around 1,948. And fortunately, wala pa akong order at that time. And then nung nakita ko around 10:40-ish, mag-11 AM na. So, hindi na na-fill yung order ko. Actually, nag-place ako ng order at around 2,000. But hindi na na-fill. So, unfortunately, hindi pa rin nadagdagan yung position ko sa Globe. And then, yung GMA stocks ko are still intact. And I'm looking to buy more if ever it dips below 10 pesos. Currently, I think nasa 10.26 pesos per share siya. So, nag-stay lang siya doon and naglalaro lang siya dun sa price range na yun. Hindi siya tumataas to like 11 for quite a while now. And then, di rin naman siya nag-dip below 10 pesos. So, we'll see in the next coming weeks. And then sa US stocks, I don't own any specific stocks or foreign stocks or mga stocks na nakalist sa United States stock market. But I have a small VOO portfolio. So yung VOO is an S&P 500 ETF and it is managed by Vanguard. And if you want to buy or invest in US stocks or foreign stocks, you may use my referral link and you can get as much as $2 as a bonus. Then mga life happenings lang. Recently, my parents visited me here sa QC. Taga Fairview ako currently. And last week yun. Then, nagpamper lang ng konti, nagpa-facial, kumain, nagpa-massage. Ako hindi ako nagpa-massage, nagpa-foods pa lang. And all that jazz. So, it was a well-spent weekend with the parents. And then, earlier this month, I got hooked with Stoicism, and I started journaling then earlier this month. I've been writing consistently for over a month now, and it has been really helpful, especially to my mental health. Then I've been also exercising regularly, and I'm lifting weights. Kanina lang nag-back ako and nag-biceps. And currently I'm reading a book called Finish First by Scott Hamilton. This is my third physical book this year, and my fifth actually in total if we include the digital books. Yung mga digital books na binasa ko, dalawa yun. It's about Seneca and Epictetus. So, mga Stoic sila of the past. Mga Greek Stoic sila. And I'm not sure if you know this already, but I've never been a big fan of reading books. But I found an appreciation about reading books this year and about writing. So before, sobrang inconsistent ko rin with like journaling. I was doing it back in 2017, 2018, and 2019. And I was just using my phone before. But now, I realized na it's much more helpful if you actually write it down yourself. I mean, it's still up to you sa preference mo. What works for you. If it works naman na tinatype mo lang sa phone mo or meron kang kinikip na, for example, Google Doc sa PC mo or sa laptop mo, then that's fine. As long as you keep a journal. Like, magsusulat ka lang, a few sentences, start of the day, and lalagay mo lang, ano ba yung mga thoughts mo, initial thoughts mo for the day? Ano ba yung ideal day for you? Ano ba yung mga important tasks that you have to do today? And then, you will go on sa normal routine mo for the day. Go to work, eat, lift, exercise, jog, or whatever. And actually pala, naglalakad ako every morning. Around mga 4 ako nagigising. Then mga 5 a.m. lumalabas na ako and I do my thinking walk. So, pag kasi naglalakad ka, well, personally for me, this is like kind of proven na rin. If naglalakad ako, doon lumalabas yung mga magandang ideas and I can like clear my head and I can think clearly for the whole day. So that's why, I do my daily morning walks. And then I digress. Nalimutan ko anong sinasabi ko kanina. But, yun pala, I'm also studying coding, specifically Python. So may mga courses akong tinetake ngayon, yung recently, yung sa DICT, yung sa government agency or government organization, it's totally free. And then meron din yung free coding camp. So it's very useful and I think, I'm not sure if magka-career change ako in the future, but probably. Kasi I'm currently fascinated then with coding and I think yung software talaga is like, well, it is happening now, but it's gonna be very useful pa rin in the future. And ngayon nga, diba, now we have the blockchain, we have cryptocurrencies. So, mas magiging digital na talaga yung buhay natin moving forward. And then earlier, I just attended the AEV analysts briefing. So, basically, lahat lang yun ng mga companies or businesses na under Aboitiz Equity Ventures. So, we have Union Bank, we have Aboitiz Power, we have Aboitiz Land, and others. Nag-report lang sila doon ng kanilang performance for the second quarter of 2022 and in general sa first half ng 2022. So from January to June. And then saan ba nanggaling yung pera, saan ba sila kumita, saan ba hindi, saan ba bumaba, and ano ba yung mga parang areas of opportunity nila in the future moving forward. And syempre yung effects ng macroeconomic factors dun sa businesses nila. And it was very insightful. And yung mga nag-present doon, mga high-ranking officials sila or like high-ranking people in their respective fields and in their respective businesses and companies. So, may mga tao doon na VP, iba CEO talaga and president ng company. So, yeah, very insightful. Dami ko natutunan and some of it medyo technical and you have to like be be kind of experienced then with like technical analysis and how businesses works. Kasi maraming mga terms doon and may mga maganda nga may mga parang abbreviation sila and they're kind of guiding yung mga viewers na ini-invite nila dun sa briefing. So yeah, it was fun and I'm looking forward attending another one sa end of the third quarter. I think, I'm not sure kung kailan nila gagawin yun, baka siguro October, November. And yun guys, end na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Hopefully nakatulong itong July review natin. And yung goals for August is to stay consistent with the uploads. Daily uploads tayo. And hopefully, the next 31 days, makapag-upload tayo ng isang video every single day. Even though like short review lang katulad nito. Or like full-on review ng mga companies and ng mga stocks and ng mga investment opportunities. And if bago ka naman sa channel ko, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang miss out sa mga uploads ko again every single day. If natripan mo yung content ko, give this video a thumbs up. And if hindi naman, give this video a thumbs down. You may also follow me sa mga social media platforms ko. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at MNPSPH. You may support the channel by becoming a YouTube member. May link dyan sa description sa baba. Alternatively, you may support the channel by using my affiliate links sa Shopee and sa Lazada. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.